Transparency after betrayal isn't punishment. It's the price of repair. And if you're genuinely in recovery, it shouldn't feel like a sacrifice. It should feel like the least you can do. When your partner confronts you with her pain, her anger, her suspicion, her grief over what you've done, your instinct will be to defend yourself, to explain, to correct the details, to remind her of the progress you've made. Don't. Defensiveness does more damage than silence ever could. When you defend yourself, you make the conversation about you, your intentions, your feelings, your side of the story. And in that moment, your partner disappears. Her pain gets pushed aside to make room for your comfort. You made it about you. Again, silence, not cold silence, not punishing silence, but the silence of someone who is listening, absorbing, letting their partner's pain be real without rushing to manage it. That silence is a gift. It says, I hear you. Your experience matters. I don't need to be right. I need to be here.